In today's video, we will be going back to Vista Cana and I will be reviewing a project of only 19 single-family, two-level villas. You won't want to miss this information because I have some great news towards the end of this video. In case you are not familiar, Vista Cana is a mere 16 minutes from the Punta Cana International Airport, depending on traffic and road conditions. Once you are in Vista Cana, if you enter through the main gate right off the Boulevard Turístico del Este, you will need to drive all the way through until you've reached Sabana Equestrian and Residences. Once there, you will need to make a left and go through the second security guard station to enter a private section called Paso de Cendo. Once you've gained access, you will need to continue through until you get to the location of Casa Loto. On the left here, you can see its location in Paso de Cendo, and on the right, a close-up of the land. That's where the 19 villas will be built. These villas will measure approximately 2,044 square feet of living space. You have the choice of lots that range between 2,951 square feet and 4,305 square feet. In the front of the villa, you will have parking for 2 vehicles. As you enter, immediately to your right is the guest bathroom. As you walk through your beautiful indoor garden, you have the staircase that takes you to the second level. On the first level, however, starting from the front, you have a laundry room, service room with its own private bathroom, a complete kitchen with a breakfast bar, a dining area and living area, all open floor concept that gives the feeling of openness. In the living area, you have the option of having a picuzzi installed on the opposite side, as you can appreciate by these renderings. If you don't want a picuzzi on the inside, you will have all that extra room as part of your living space to socialize. You can then step outside and enjoy the covered terrace and swimming pool. Heading to the second level, you can appreciate the 3 bedrooms, each with their own private bathrooms and closets, and the master bedroom to the far left will have the luxury of a big bathroom with closet space. Notice how the villa is not a square design, but a rectangular design, which puts all the bedrooms to one side with plenty of walking space between them all. Here is a rendering showing the option of having a 4th bedroom on the first floor right as you walk in the main entrance. The bathroom next to it will be a full bathroom and can be used by guests or whoever is in this bedroom. Here are some renderings of Casa Loto. And now the great news. These villas include the outside pool, cooktop, extractor or hood, refrigerator, and AC units in every bedroom. The jacuzzi and the 4th bedroom come at an additional cost, so if you're interested in these, let me know. The price of the villas still available are between $327,500 and $357,000. The payment plan is as follows. Reserve with $3,000 US. Pay 10% down with signed agreement within 15 days of reserving. Pay 30% during construction and pay the 60% balance on delivery. You can choose to pay it in full or you'll need to secure financing. The estimated delivery date is September 2025. Some of these villas have already been sold. If this is the type of villa that you're interested in, here's what you need to do. Call me or text me, direct or via WhatsApp to 484-944-1621, or you can also email me to info@mikemasterspresents.com. You'll need to send me a copy of your passport and front and back of your driver's license or Dominican cedula. Once a unit has been blocked for you, you'll have until the next day to send your reserve payment. Shortly after, your contract will be drawn. Act now before they sell out. Remember, 3 bedrooms with 3.5 bathrooms or 4 bedrooms with 4 bathrooms, service room with private bathroom, swimming pool, appliances, and AC units in every bedroom. All you'll need is furniture, decorations, and your clothing. Before I answer that, remember to like my content, hit the subscribe button, press the bell symbol, and choose the all option so you get a friendly notification every time I publish a new video. And help circulate this information by sharing it with anyone you can think of that can benefit from this information. Visit my website as well, mikemasterspresents.com, and follow me on Instagram at mikemasterspresents. Thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful day.